Hey, what's up, good people? Shelby here. Welcome to my channel. Not nobody else's channel, not that chick over there channel, my channel. Today, I am thinking that I want to try out a full-on monochrome look. I was in the store today and I saw another one of these really cute quads from Almay, and it is called Pure Gold, baby. It has a transition shade in here that's in a nice rich brown, and then it has 3 shades of gold. So we're gonna be super golden today. I've also got a lip that matches this and a highlight. So if you'd like to see the look that I come up with, stay tuned. And if you are a new visitor, first of all, like welcome. Like, how you doing? How you doing? 2, if you are new, that means you have not subscribed and you have not gone down to the bottom and left me a comment or hit the like button. Go do that. You can't just show up and not complete the assignments. That's how you don't pass class. If you are an existing subscriber, then you already know it's about to go down. It's gonna be a little bit of crazy, a little bit of fun, hopefully no tears, lots of laughter, mostly on my part, but I hope you laugh too. Anyways, let's hop into the video. We are back. As you can see, I did my brows off camera. I also went in with the NYX Proof It colorless eyeshadow primer. It's waterproof. It's a shadow primer. It's a little bit sticky, but not super sticky. Like, it's different than what I'm used to, because, you know, if you watch my channel, I usually just use, you know, primer or concealer and primer. So we'll see how this goes. Anyways, I'm gonna hop into this Almay quad here, and like, these colors are so close together, it's crazy. But 3 of them are shimmers. I don't know if you can tell. See, this right here is the deepest shimmer. That's the lightest. That's about the middle, and then that is the transition shade. So we're gonna go in and put this on our eye, okay? I'm gonna start with, like I said, the transition shade. I'm going in with a lovely little blending brush. This is from Morphe, the All Eyes on Me. All Eyes on, All I Want, All Eyes on Me, All Eyes on Me is a Tupac song. Okay, but yeah. So just packing this into my crease. It's a really, really neutral, not neutral, it's very nude, subtle color. Have you tried the Almay shadows before? I think that they're actually a pretty pigmented little set of colors. I have another quad from them that is mostly greens and blues, and it's really nice. Really pigmented, same kind of layout with 1 matte and then 3 shimmers. And then with no new product, I'm going to tap along the edge of this and just blur it out up toward the brow. With no new product, I'm just going to tap along the edge of the color so that it can blur out towards the brow bone. I'm going to add a little bit more in the corner here and toward the inner corner as well. Now that we've got that nice little definition for our upper, you know, lid area situation, next I'm going to go in with here the deepest color in the deepest shimmer. Does it have a name? No, I think it's just called Pure Gold. And I'm going to put this all over my lid. Oh no. What the heck? That's not expected. Okay, it's not. I'm going to try a different kind of brush. Before I decide this isn't working, I'm going to try another brush. Try a denser brush. If I can lay this down. Okay, I'm going to use my finger. There we go. There's something. It's interesting because the blue one was much, much more, what's what I'm looking for? Amenable, cooperative. Anyways. All right. Now, even though that took more than I thought it should have, I actually do really like the color. It's just a lot of work. Okay, well, yeah, as you can see, it's a very pretty color. It's just not super cooperative. Yeah, okay. What's a letdown? All right. Well, I've got more glitter on my finger than I do, more color on my finger than I do on my lid, but that happens. I'm going to go into the next color, which is, let's see, which is actually really close. I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's kind of blown out, but you'll see what color it is once I get it on my lid. Going in with another brush, a smaller, also dense brush, see if I can get this to pick up. Okay, a little better, a little bit better. Yeah, it's better. All right. And I did carry that kind of up into the crease. That's something I've seen Miss Jackie Ina do frequently, and I like the way that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. I'm going to take a little bit of this color, the one that we just tried, and I'm going to spray it and see if I can get more pop out of it. And yeah, it gets, ooh, it gets foily. Hey. Just going over the transition and up into the crease, down into the inner corner. Well, despite the effort it took to get that to do that, I think it actually does still look pretty good. So next I'm going to go in with an even smaller brush from the same collection, the Morphe All Eyes, All I Want, not All Eyes. I'm going to spray the brush because we've learned that I'm going to get the best payout if I spray it. And I'm going to go into the last shade right here, which again haseth no name. Inner corner. I don't know, I feel like you can see that. Can you see that? Aside from the fact that I just did, that's not bad. That's actually really pretty. I'm gonna go back with the original color, the original brush that I used to just kind of buff out some of the edges with the matte color, just so that there's a nice backdrop behind these glimmers, shimmers, glitter situations, whatever you want to call them. My next step, I'm going to, of course, I've got to line this. There's no way that that this gets out of here without a liner. So I'm going to go in with the Sephora liquid liner in the shade Noir 001. And this is OG for me. Like, I've been using pens for a while now. The felt tips, like the Fenty one and a few others. So hopefully this doesn't go horribly wrong. Actually, I'll start on the lid. All right. Okay. All right. Now we just got to do it over here. Ah! You can't get proud until you finish the other side. Let's just tell the truth. Shame the devil. Not all of us are Ellery, okay? Okay. Okay. All right. Somebody call the people. I think I'm gonna need a respirator, but I was successful. No no lashes or eyelids were harmed in the making of this wing. Let's just yeah. All right. Gonna go in with the Maybelline Lasting Drama Matte Liner. You can get this from the drugstore. I'll turn the mirror around. And I'm going to line my waterline and tight line. I'm lining above and below my lash line so I can go back in with the brown and smoke it out. So I'm going to take some brown. Next, going in with some good old-fashioned mascara with a little twist on it. This is the Trestique mascara. It came in this month's Boxy Luxe. Has a mascara wand on one end, and then on the tip it has a lash curler. So I've been using this and I really, really like it. I am going to do falsies, but I've got to do those after my face so that I don't end up with concealer in my lashes, because I always do. Now that they are properly curled, go in and coat those bad boys. Just don't stab yourself in the eye, which I seem to do like 3 times in every makeup video. What is my issue with my eyes? Don't need to go too crazy because I am putting on lashes, but there's something just so satisfying. I don't have to go too crazy because I am going to put on lashes, but there's something really satisfying about curling and then mascaraing lashes. If your lashes are short, then this might not be as much fun for you, granted, but mine not short, so this is fun for me. Yeah. So I'm going to clean off the fallout, and then I'm going to clean off the fallout, finish off my face, and we'll come back. And we'll pick a lip and a highlight. Yeah. Okay, so I finished my face. I added a little bit of my Wet n Wild in the shade Precious Petals on the inner corner of my eye and finish off my lower lashes. Now I just need to add some mascara, and then we can hop into the lip. Can we just talk about how pretty these Miami light lashes are? Like, they're incredible. They're so pretty. Okay, so thinking about what I want to put on my lips. I have a gold item that I'd like to do. I picked up an Almay lippy, but one, it's matte. Two, it's thin, and I don't like it, so it's going back to the store. Like I said, the Wet n Wild is great, and a lot of the colors in this Almay quad are really good too. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my BFF3 liner from ColourPop and this bronzy pink gold situation from Wet n Wild also, and it's in the shade Ride on My Copper. So suggestive, Wet n Wild. Oh my. I'm gonna line my outer lip. Ooh, bronzy. Okay. And then I'm actually going to go in with my highlighter brush and a little bit more of Precious Petals and hit the top of my Cupid's bow because I feel like I just lost it. And using a little shader brush, I'm going to take one of the shades from here, honestly, whichever one shows up, and I'm going to put a little bit in the middle of my lip and see how that looks. Ooh. Okay, ended up being a little bit frosty, a lot of gold. Put this back on my outer edges. Okay, hey, I might have just did something. I might have. Okay, this is cute. I think it's cute. You tell me what you think. I think it's cute. I think it's perfect, simple, summery with the wing. It's a little bit drama, a little bit of glam, but not too much. Like, I could just wear this sweatshirt, or I could go change my clothes and get real cute, except I don't have nowhere to go. Not the point. I hope that you like this look. This was fun. I like this. The quad, okay, I like the outcome. The quad was a little bit of a pain in the butt. For reference, I thought I should show you that this is the one that I used previously. And like, by comparison, if I do a couple swatches of this, look at that payout. Okay, that is payout. I know it's blue, and it's contrasting to my skin tone, and the gold is definitely going to fade more into my skin tone than the blue will. But that's just color theory, and I just want this to be dope, and it's But this is dope. This Wet n Wild highlighting powder, poudre. It says poudre on the front. That means it's means powder, I think, in French. The Precious Petals is fantastic. So I like that. I like how it looks on my face. And I really like, actually, I really like going back and using the Sephora liquid liner. Like this one, she's a banger, and she works just as well, if not better, than the Lancome Grandiose that I just ran out of. Like I wonder if I could put this wand in this container. I'll go be a mad scientist later. For now, this is what my look looks like. I hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope that you like the outcome. And if you are new, if you are a new subscriber or a new viewer, go down to the bottom, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I have blue everywhere. I gotta go clean up, but join the family. And as always, ciao for now.